how to create a business meta suite. So let's see through this video. So first of all, you have to open up your Google and in the search bar tap and search for the business.facebook.com. Here tap on the link and this page will be opened. For that you have to log in with your Facebook here. After logging in, your page will be opened. You can also zoom the page for better view, and if you want to create a business account, then simply you can tap in the page and here you will see a create a business account option. Simply tap on that and this will be displayed. After that you have to enter your business account name that you want to make, and you have to enter your contact info and email address too. After that you have to tap on OK and go for the further process. Here you have to tap on the next or skip, and by reviewing the account you can tap on confirm. After confirming, your business account will be opened here. Here you can see my Facebook page is under another business account I made recently. You can either create a new business account or log out of it. The one and only special feature of Business Suite is you can add all the meta apps under this account. You can see the activity and control the activity from here. So here you can add the Instagram account and also your WhatsApp account. After adding, you will be able to see the activity and notification or even messages of the Instagram, WhatsApp and Facebook under one page. So in this way you can create a business meta suite. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topic, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.